Hello Explorers Club! My name is Arzucan Askin and I'm a technical diver, conservation scientist and one of the co-founders of the Formula Shark project. I specialize in studying human-shark relationships at the University of Oxford Seascape Ecology Lab and just recently returned to land after a year of shark science and advanced dive training supported by Rolex and OWUSS. It was during that year that I met with the mayor of Formula and the island's most passionate shark conservationists. We started the Formula Shark project to study what we now suspect is the world's largest population of tiger sharks, just about 200 individuals living off the waters of a small Maldivian island called Formula right on the equatorial channel. The large number of sharks present in this island's waters are driving a rapidly expanding but currently unregulated tourism industry, meaning that many of these sharks fall victim to the impact of increased human activities. So far, we've been documenting severe cuts and lacerations from vessel strikes, often with tourist vessels, entanglements and discarded plastic waste, increased levels of pollution in the water from the presence of liveaboards, and grave injuries from interactions with fishing vessels. In partnership with the Island Council of Formula, the Formula Shark Project will be the first organization dedicated to studying the shark species of Formula. And we will start with the most pressing research and conservation issues facing the island's tiger sharks. We have three big objectives for this project. 1. To comprehensively examine and assess the true impact of human activities on these apex predators and on the health of the shark populations in Formula. 2. To generate knowledge that will be incorporated into an island-wide conservation and management plan. And 3. To tell a story of truly how vulnerable these sharks are to human activities and show a side of sharks most people don't get to see very much. To achieve these objectives, we've put together a diverse team made up of both local and international scientists, as well as underwater photographers. Our research work is supervised by renowned shark scientist Dr. Yanis Papastamathiou, Director of the Predator Ecology and Conservation Lab at Florida International University. In our field team, we have professional underwater photographer and environmental scientist John O'Allen, who is also a co-founder of the Formula Shark project and has extensive experience working with large megafauna. Next up is Nefa Nassim, a Maldivian marine scientist who previously worked with the Blue Marine Foundation as well as the IUCN and is now based at the Research Development Office of the Maldives National University. As part of our team, we also have Hamna Hussain, Formula's only active female dive master and dive safety officer, who not only knows most of the sharks by name, but also serves as a great source of inspiration for women across the island. We also have Basit Mohammed, a Maldivian marine scientist with a wide range of experience coordinating fieldwork across the Maldives, including with the Maldives Whale Shark Research Program and the Manta Trust. In the field, we are also supported by Lonu Nasheed, one of the key pioneers of shark diving on the island and owner of one of the oldest dive centers in Formula. In the field, we will be using a combination of research methods underwater: photo identification of sharks and their injuries, mapping of vessel activity and pressure from the presence of divers, environmental DNA analysis from seawater sampling to determine population genetics, touchless ultrasound technology to confirm pregnancies, and the deployment of reef cameras to monitor changes in shark activity when divers are not in the water. We have three intended outcomes. 1. To make impact on the ground by generating knowledge that will help the Island Council understand and mitigate human impacts on this globally unique aggregation of tiger sharks. 2. To build research capacity on the island, train locals in scientific diving, and create a strong base that will allow us to expand the work of the Formula Shark project over the next years. And 3. To raise awareness about the role of Formula as a crucial shark sanctuary amidst the rapid decline of shark populations across the Indian Ocean. So we hope that you'll support us on this important mission and join us in the field.